hey, you don't go believe him. If you say as I take the talk to my oga, I come dey brainwash and they brainwash and they brainwash and they brainwash and he come dey calm down, come dey calm down. He come tell me say, make I no worry, say you no go sack you again. You see how? Hey!
You try.
See, try and understand. I overtry. Hey, Philo. Hey.
Now why you come
back?
outside?
Eh?
Now the thing will make you come.
Now the thing now, you know say you two dey forget something. We get agreement now. That's why I say I call you.
You know say they forget. I remember. I'm going to be the agreement again.
You know say you talk say you go do anything I ask you to do. You go do am. That's why I say make I call you.
You know say you dey crazy. You don't mad before, Abi? No, I dey ask you. You don't mad before. You be like say for your former life, now madman you be. You can't carry that life, take come inside this generation. You dey crazy? No, I dey ask you, you dey mad? You dey remind me of agreement. Oh yeah, now continue. I dey wait.
I see. Let me talk side crazy.
You dey mad. In fact, you're a bombastic element without increment and condiments. You don't pwala. No, I dey ask you, you dey mad? So wait, you look me finish. You think say me and you they the same category, Abi? Because I wear apron, they do nothing for you. It be like say you no get sense. I don't really suffer for your hand. Isaac gate, man, you want suck breast. I no blame me.
You know, no provoke me. No provoke me. You get what you go talk now, I go meet my oga. I go tell her say me sack you. My oga go sack you. Nah. I go carry your load to wait for you outside. Yes. Eh? Yes. You don't know me? Now. Calm down. Come on.
Common sense. You know there your head. It be like say you dey craze. It be like say you dey mad. You want suck breast. Who you dey do face for?
No provoke me.
Why you balance your face?
No provoke me.
Balance your face.
Me balance my face. Eh? You no provoke me.
Push me.
Why am I gonna push you?
Isaac.
Eh?
Isaac, you push me.
No, me we try am.
No, you push me.
No, me we try am.
Isaac.
Eh?
Common sense not in your head. Idiot.
You know, because I never talk today. See, what I go do here? Come back now.
You see the talk. They go punish your generation. What's up with your breast?
Hey! You know, this girl don't do me MM. I never chop today. Go they pursue me. Hey, because I never chop today. This girl don't do me MM. Hey.
Richie, when are you going to ever stop this your issue with the girl in your house?
My brother, I am terribly troubled with her presence in my house. She's giving me sleepless night.
Look, Richie, I think it's high time you stopped already, okay? The girl is harmless.
Do you know her before?
Well, I know I don't, but...
Then how can you just jump into conclusion that she's harmless?
Hey, come on, bro. Take it easy, okay? We're not quarreling, okay?
When you know what? Let's just drop this discussion, okay? And discuss some meaningful thing. Meanwhile, how was your trip to the village?
Perfectly well. I mean, everything went as planned.
Okay, you said we were going to discuss something, so what is it?
Yes, it's about my business.
Okay.
Okay, everything is just crumbling. I mean, everything is not the way it used to. Okay, and there's this new contact I have in China. Okay, and I have a business I'm supposed to pull out for one multinational company. But right now, the capital is not complete.
Okay.
I still need about 5.6 million.
5.6 million?
Yeah, bro.
Wow. That's huge.
Come on, Richie. Look, I know you can pull this through, okay? Look, I'm your man, okay? Please, You just have to help your brother.
Oh no, you know my guy now, you know. Yes, I can actually do anything for you, but right now I'm trying to arrange a lot of things. Johnny has his office, and you know, I encountered a lot of losses in this company as a result of my father's sudden death.
Rich, please. Look, you're my last resort right now. Please don't disappoint me. I beg of you. I need to pull this contract.
I know, but understand me now.
Richie, please now. Richie.
Understand me. You know,
Richie, you're going to have.
No, to understand me. Understand me. I'm not going to be able to.
Hi, Ginny. How are you? I'm not fine. Seriously, I'm into a big mess right now. My landlord called me this morning and told me that we have to move out of the compound, every one of us. He wants to renovate the house. Yes. He said his son is coming back from America, that we need to pack ASAP. I don't know what to do. Ginny, please, I need your help. Please. Ginny, please. Try for me. I need your help. I don't have anyone to call. You're my last hope. Please, I need your help. Please. Okay, you call me back. Please, I'll be expecting your call. Okay, bye.
Let's go. You see, you can laugh, you can laugh, you can laugh. Okay? Oh, your tummy is empty. No food. But you know what? I am going to breastfeed you now. Because I know that is the only thing that makes you sleep. Sorry. Okay. Let's not waste time. Let's not waste any more time.
She's a nursing mother. Look well before you accept. It's a very big mistake. It's your She's a nursing mother. Look well before you accept her. Before you make a mistake,
Chineke. I don't want to be Hey, abomination. Hello. Hey, Philo. Philomena. Come.
Who's that bombastic element? What's he happen?
Come.
Where? Come where? Who you dey come? Things are they less busy like you. I mean, you know, say I get work when I dey do inside. You just come, they come outside. You don't get sense.
Philo, I don't say you dey busy. Busybody? Now so you take day busy yesterday. Carry your breast. They breastfeed Madam Pikin. What's she mean?
You say waiting.
May I say waiting? See, you talk say, me and you know they the same category. Eh? See, for this compound, we go know who be who. This time, we go know who be who.
This thing where they yarn, I don't know what you did. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. You don't know what I'm talking about? You don't know what I'm talking about, eh?
Bring your voice down.
No problem. No, I don't go bring him down. Eh? No problem. If madam comes back, I go open this mouth. I go tell him everything what happened yesterday. I go tell him how you take carry him picking. Carry your breast, they beat them. If you know what make I talk, eh? Carry your church mind. Carry this breast. Give me, make I suck too.
Huh?
Yes. Me too, I be picking. I be one make I cry first. Okay, no problem.
I see. What did they worry you, safe? Get sense now. Receive sense. What did they worry you? Why are they talking here? If you don't get sense, you go play store, go sense, download that. Sense no dey your head. You know my Gina, now my person you be. Why they do like this? I mean and you, we be guys. You be my G, now me and you they run things. No suppose this the way they do. More forget that, more die am. For what they get they call fabu. This thing when you do now, more just take and say na fabu you be. Yeah, no say you be my guy.
Okay, now no wahala now. Eh? No wahala. You don't call me Letitina this afternoon. You don't call me OG. You don't call me Fab. You don't forget my name. My name is Isaac. You leave Isaac, they call me Fab.
Okay.
No wahala.
Isaac.
See, this will not be grammar matter. If you know waiting, they good for your body. Go come carry your church mind. Give me this bread now, myself. Before madam will come back. Eh? Madam don't come back. Madam don't come back.
Isaac. Finished. How did this boy see me? I thought I was alone inside the house. Hey, madam is back. What do I do? No feeling fine. Hey, I have malaria. What is your problem? What is wrong with you?
Madam. Nah.
Do I have to hunt down the whole neighborhood before you put the gate on me?
Madam.
Why did it take you so long?
Madam, sorry. You know what happened today.
Shut up your mouth! Shut your trap, you idiot! You always have a stupid excuse for your stupidity.
I'm sorry.
Can you listen to me? If this happens again one more time, you get yourself fired. Do you understand me?
Madam, I swear.
Do you understand me?
Yes.
Now shut the hell up.
Yes.
Me tweet.
Madam,
Try something next time.
Sorry. Yo.
Big fool. What is your problem? What's your problem, Isaac?
You know what happened.
Shut up! Try it one more time.
I don't cry.
That's fine.
See this girl. This girl, you won't put person for trouble this afternoon, eh? I must talk. Make I close this gate first. See, I go talk. You know, don't worry. You go see me now, I must talk.
Why are you making noise? Oh, wait! You've not locked my gate. Sorry. You are still wasting time in locking that gate. Jinxed human being. Bastard. I should want time to go before you open the gate for me. Try it next time one more. Just try it one more time.
Sorry, ma.
And when you do now, fool.
Sorry, ma. Sorry. I must talk.
You're making noise, Mr. Man, in my compound.
Sorry, ma. Sorry, eh? I must talk. I must talk. Sorry, ma. Sorry.
Journey of life.
Madam, suspense this milk when they go down. She dey think say I no dey give her baby food. better do something quick. You said the milk no dey go down. That woman fit begin calculate. She'll start suspecting that something is wrong. I need to do something. Reduce the milk.
My son.
He should be downstairs.
Are you what we told?
Philo.
Up to this time?
Sorry.
I want my son here now.
Okay.
What is this? What is going on? Dream.
Mama. Where are you going?
Now I'm traveling now.
To where?
I am traveling to go and see my sister concerning my business.
Nah, Mama, don't bother going because I have already spoken to her. Ichiganwa is going to be a wasteful one, so there's no point going to the city.
Mama, what are you trying to say?
I've already told your sister how you spent your business money with Eber. Imagine, give me a nail, Adam Wanya, Bologna Gana, and I can't work. So, you really plan on going to the city? Try to match.
Mama, what have I done to you? What have I done to you? Why are you treating me like this?
Don't blame me for your failure. You know what Jakaya father went in class.
Isaac! My G! Isaac! My nigga, my G! Oh, sure. Smile, Jesus loves you. Come on. You don't say you're my guy, Sha. No, but you don't say you're my guy. Come. Yeah? Show now. You said today show yourself. They go to hear you, you go slow. Show you the waka slow motion. Calm down.
See, Philo. See, make I tell you. No need to waste your time. May I just tell you my mind, If na beg, you come beg me. Forget them. Forget them. Because I don't made up my mind say I must talk. Nothing will fit stop me. I must talk.
You go talk.
I go talk.
You go talk.
Yes.
Before you go talk, I want make you see something. Look inside this bucket.
What is that?
Look calm now. Look cool. Look what's in there inside. You like what you see? You like how? You like how? Na food. Correct food. Isaac, if you chop this food, if you dey dream, you don't forget bad dream now. You dey see yourself as president,
Thank you.
minister, senator,
Thank you.
governor,
Thank you.
commissioner.
Thank you.
I take my time. Eh? If you taste the food, your teeth are wash put safe. I take my time cook this food. The reason why I give you this food, I don't want you to say you talk anything. Now God name I beg you. I beg.
I don't even know what you do.
Talk no evil, see no evil.
I don't see anything.
You don't know sir do anything.
I don't know what you do, sir.
I don't see you.
I don't see you.
I see you.
No.
I don't see you. I don't see you.
I don't see you. Where you there, sir? Where you there?
I go drop this bucket for you.
Eh?
When you chop finish, put the plates inside the bucket. I can't carry the bucket.
I go carry and go for you.
You see me?
I don't see you.
I don't see you.
Where you there? Hey, Jesus, God of Abraham, my father. So if you don't cook this guy food for me, may God of Abraham, my father, bless you. Bless you again and again. So if you don't cook for me, no more cook and bread. Bread and cook. Hey, hey.
Hello? Philo, where are you? I've been standing here for a while now. Please be fast. Carol, I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. I had to wait for my madam to leave before I come. What is it?
Philo, I had a terrible dream about you last night. That's why I called you to come here.
Carol, you don't come again. Which one be dream? Since when did you start dreaming? Why did you try put fear for my body now?
Philo, I am not trying to put fear in you. See, you are about to take a very big risk. Hear me out first.
You know what? Keep your dreams untold. I know what hear about her. I need to go before my madam comes back and before the baby wakes up and starts crying. So that make you come here and begin rush to come outside.
Philo, hear me out.
Leave that dream.
Why is she stubborn?
How this gate take dey open? Eh? I know say I lock this gate. I lock am. Let's say ghost don't enter this compound. Make I lock am. I know who go come open am again. Eh? Who be that? Who be that? Eh? Hey, how far? Philo, wait. So you know this compound since?
Which one be I know the girls? Waiting for sign. Why they shout? Every time you dey place. I mean you don't mad for your former life. What happened? Why they shout? What did they do you? Eh?
Philo,
Waiting.
so because say you know where my key they stay, you can't go trespass, can't carry my key, open this gate, come out.
No, as madam send me message, I go use plane, fly the fence, go outside. I want to go. Madam send me message. I pass the gate, go outside.
Philo, na lie. Madam don't send you any message. Tell me the truth. Where you go?
So you dey do roadblock now.
Where you go?
I can't say in my geo. I go just tell you. I go see person.
I go come back here. That person where you go see, I don't see a man and your boyfriend. You like?
I take consign you. No, Minister of Information. I take consign you. Not go find life for yourself. You want kill? I beg. I need to go inside before baby go wake up. You know, say they sleep. Yeah? After we go talk.
You know, this one I'm trespassing. No, not try him again. No, not try him again. I thank God beg you.
You too do. Calm down. This time you show yourself.
See, am I warn you? Don't try this kind of thing next time. Oh. This is not trespassing now. You want me to sack me, eh? You want me to sack me for this house? Because you know where my kid is. Don't worry, I go change position. You see her.
Ginny, I'm stranded. I have 3 days left to leave this house. And I have nowhere to go to. Please, I need your help. Ginny, please. I know you can help me, please. I promise, I'm not going to stress you. Please just help me, accommodate me for a few days. And then I'll get another accommodation and leave your house. Please. Ginny, please. Please help me talk to your husband. I'm sure he will understand. Please. Okay. I'll be waiting for your feedback. Okay. Alright, thank you. Bye.
Why are you crying? Why is your face like that? See, come, let's go where we can talk. My mother is around. Please, come.
I don't care if your mother is around. I don't care.
Why are you talking like this? What is the problem now?
I am pregnant.
You're what? Please don't say that again. You're pregnant for who?
Are you going to deny it? No, tell me, are you going to deny it? What, like I am pregnant for you?
Don't shout here. My mother is ill.
I want her to hear it. I want her to hear it.
Voice down. My mother is around. Come.
Yes.
I heard everything.
Mama.
I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. Now you're crying.
Oh, Mama, don't mind her. She's joking. She's a joker.
I'm not joking. I'm not joking. Mama, I am not joking. It's not my fault.
It is my fault. I was there. I was teaching you people what to do. And now you're pregnant. So, Wadiro, there's no point crying. Go home and meet your father. Eh?
Okay.
Ibebegon. Osugon. Na kodoka ikwamini webia. Hello. One. Musizia wala daziane enabo.
Don't listen to her. She's a liar. I did not get her pregnant. She's just a pathetic liar.
Pathetic liar. That is what you are. How will you convince anyone that you're not responsible for that pregnancy? Can you even convince yourself? No, can you? Hi, Mom. I can't believe it. Now I know you're a man. Odogu. Etorapugonu, onara. That's very good. We get just saying my Marco said. Pregnant. Yeah. To do. Help you.
What is wrong with this girl? Ebere pregnant. For who?
Leave me. If you don't leave me, if you don't beg me, I go talk. Just bring me.
Why they shout with the shouts and I don't want to disturb me? Why they shout? I beg.
I go talk. See, but my papa land, this kind of abomination. I go carry your brains, they keep picking.
Bring your voice down. Why you they shout?
Now you go now.
I no go do am again. I swear, my mama will bomb me. I no go do am again. I know they lie.
Now this thing what you talk last time. Like this thing now you do what you talk last time. You still they carry your brains, they feed them.
Now what did I talk the last time? Okay, more forget that one.
We don't go forget anything. I go talk.
I beg now. Oh yeah, see. I go settle you. I go settle you.
Settle me with waiting.
With money.
Leave me. I don't want money.
I go give you.
I don't want money. I go talk.
I see.
I go talk.
I see. Me and you na go.
Madam, don't come back. Madam, don't come back. Yes, I go talk. I must talk. Leave me. Leave me. Make I go open my own gate for madam. Leave me. Madam!
I see. She's a nursing mother. Look well before you accept. To avoid a biggie mistake, yo. It's your one Melissa. She's a nursing mother. Look well before you accept her. Before you make a mistake, yo. Make it your one Melissa.
Have you gone crazy? Do you have bipolar? Yes. Do you have mental disorder? You sure you're okay? Yes. You must be crazy. Yes. You must be mad. You and the cause of the village are crazy. No. Now come on, tell me something. Yes. Come on, check on me too. No. Check on me. Bastard. Next time you keep me outside the gate, kill you. I'll crush you. Thank you. I want you.
She's a simple woman. She's a simple woman. Do you know she don't have evil in her mind?
I swear, if I don't tell madam about this thing, if I don't tell madam, don't worry, let me go and rehearse myself. Let me prepare myself. I want to tell madam everything. Don't worry, I'm coming.
What she wants is her right. Pure heart, pure mind. What she wants is her right.
Ijoma! Hey! Hey! She's not picking my calls. Huh? Why are you not picking my calls?
Good afternoon.
Ijoma, I've been calling you since morning and you're rejecting my calls. Why? I'm asking you.
Stop disturbing me. Let me be.
How am I disturbing you? You told me you are going to see a man of God. Tell me what he said.
I won't tell you. Did you hear me? I won't tell you. Did you just hear me? Continue with your nonchalant attitude. Excuse me, please.
I wonder what has come over her. For how long will she continue to live like this? How long?
If I tell madam this now, this girl feel deny am. And madam no go believe me. What can I go do? I tell madam. Why they cut liver self? Let me be Isaac. I go tell madam. Madam, good afternoon.
Isaac.
Madam. Hey.
What are you doing here? What happened to you?
Undo. There's no problem at all. No problem.
There's no problem. Why are you not at your duty post? What are you doing here?
Madam, yes. I saw one rabbit. They tried to stop her. I saw I be walking. Hey, Don't worry, next time, if that rabbit comes here again, I will catch it. Don't worry. Believe me.
You saw a rabbit inside this compound running into my house and you were just watching it?
No, madam. It's not a rabbit. It's a mistake. It's a mistake. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. See, it looks like rabbit. The one resemble rabbit one kind. The thing can't change. I want to understand that. Don't worry. I will catch it next time the thing comes here. I promise you, I go catch him.
You idiot! Get out from this place!
I'm sorry, yo.
Can you imagine? It was a rabbit. It looks like a rabbit. It's a rabbit.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry,
What kind of human being is this?
Hey! I too talk. I talk and say, if I tell madam this now, madam no go believe her. I can't even cut liver. What did they worry me? Now this my mouth. Oh my God, lap them. What did they talk, say if I don't know? Hey! But this girl gave mind. Carry her. Hey, Jesus.
Go! This, fine boy, you fine shot. Calm down, wait till I talk with you. I beg, You know that matter? I want me to die. Die that matter, guy. Die. I get 1K for you. I don't say you go need that. Hey! Why you shout?
Philo? Philo, I want to ask you one question. Just one question. Hey! Philo, wetin give you the mind? The thing can't even carry moral, can't join them. You can't carry this your 2 breasts. Can't they give Oga Madam picking? No see me.
After all the healing, why I don't hear you? Have fun now. What did worry you? I don't tell you, see me die this matter. Forget her now.
See, Philo, you see this matter, we no go die. We must talk this matter. This talk now. I go tell Madam everything. I go tell Madam everything.
Well, you shut up, boo. Shut up, you go tell her. What do you want tell? Is this how they fear you? No, wait. You think say me how they fear you?
Now me they shut up.
Guy, when you calm down, I know they fear you. I go shout if I want shout.
When they shout.
Okay, you think say me I don't know. You want talk, Abi? Okay, then we do talking competition. You think I don't know? No, you think I don't know. What I know? I go tell Madam say you carry woman come last night. You tell me shift come off my face, you mad. Now you want to? Oh yeah, me with time now.
Anyway, even if you tell Madam, I go deny him. They didn't cut me. There was no cut.
Okay, since there was no cut. All right. Make I go carry my microphone because as they see me so now Madam had to do it. Make I go tell her.
Wait. Philo, I beg. Me will just die the talk. You no go talk, I no go talk. I bring the 1,000 naira.
You know what? Just say by the special grace of God, I no get sense.
By the special grace of God, you no get sense.
You dey mad? I say by the special grace of God, I no get sense.
By the special grace of God, you no get sense. Okay.
See, this say you no want talk, and nobody is telling anything again. You are safe. Okay. I keep my 1,000. You keep your small sense where you no get.
Hey. I talk am. Say this girl a witch. How she take no say I carry woman come this compound last night? Hey! God of Abraham, my father. This girl a witch, original one. Hey.
Somebody enter this kitchen. Who carried that milk? I know say I keep that milk inside the cupboard. I didn't hide her now. I shift that container and kept it behind. My person carried that milk. That milk is supposed to be there. I kept it. I removed the container with the front of them. I kept it behind. So hi, Oba. Sir? Good afternoon. No. Good morning, sir. Good afternoon.
Good evening. You know one thing with you?
No, sir.
You always appear suspicious whenever I set my eyes on you. Why?
I'm sorry, sir. Sorry.
You need to see how awful you're looking. Anyway, I have a visit on the sitting room. You go and serve me a bottle of water.
Okay, sir.
You can go now. And remember not to display your stupidity.
No, sir.
Comport yourself.
I'll comport, sir. I'll comport. Sorry, sir.
Get out.
She's a nursing mother. Look well before you were sent. Tough and biggie mistake. She's a nursing mother.
I know say I keep the milk there. I did I keep the milk. You cannot be saying I see carry this milk. I swear to God, if I see carry this milk, what's that? Hey, Philo, you know dull like this before. You remember where I keep the milk?
Why? Because the house was boring without you.
Okay, I'm here for you now. So,
So,
guess who we have in the house?
there's someone in the house.
Yes.
Could that be?
Journey of life, love of mother. Child, nigga dobin obi agbara nera. Iju was say obi agbara nera.
Obinna.
Philomena. What? I can't believe this. What are you doing here?
I should be asking, what are you doing here?
Wait. Are you the house girl?
Listen, this is not the right time for those questions. All I want you to do is leave. I don't want him to come back and meet you here.
Philomena, you have not answered my question.
leave.
What are you doing here?
You should leave. Hey!
Genie, baby! How you doing? I'm fine.
I know you just smile.
Wow, longest time. Yeah.
What are you waiting for to serve my visitor the water?
What are you waiting for?
Sorry.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
What's up?
I'm good.
Wow, you visited us today. Are we safe?
Yeah, you're safe. Let's say I've been busy all this while.
And why are you still standing there mopping? What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry, the water.
Just go.
Go now.
I'm sorry, sir.
Good.
I'm so sorry about my girl, you know. She is a funny cat.
Yeah, I can see that.
Tell me what's up.
person here. Serve yourself.
Yes. He's my guest. I'll serve it.
Okay, you can
No,
do
I'll
that.
serve it.
You can do that.
you were saying, I want journey of life.
What is Obinna doing here? What exactly is he doing here? If care is not taken, this guy might tell them everything about me.
Where is your father? Go in and call him for me, eh?
He's not in.
How do you mean he's not in? I have an appointment with him this minute, yeah? Go in there. Maybe he's sleeping. Go.
Maybe he forgot. I know my father very well. And I know his whereabouts. He's not in.
Okay. You know what? When he comes back, tell him I was here. And that he should endeavor to see me this evening. Let us talk. Yes.
Oh my God.
Please don't forget.
I will deliver your
Make
message.
sure you tell him. Okay?
Oh my God. Bye-bye. Evil man. Papa. You're out.
I thought I heard my brother's voice here.
Nah, I told him you're not in.
Why must you do a thing like that? Why?
What else did he come here to do? Except to plot evil against my cousin. Papa, Rapia, Kojebe. Rapia!
Ike!
Papa.
Ike. How many times did I call your name? Did I call you?
Papa, forget how many times you called me. See, Papa, I am your son. And I'm in the right position to tell you the truth. And you know it. See, forget your brother Formata. He is evil. He will land you into trouble one day. Papa, he will land you into trouble one day. Ekusigom. Papa, I want to...
What else of a son? You want to walk on me?
Papa, how can I walk out on you? You're my father now. I will not disrespect you now. I will not walk out on you, but it's just that I want to go and see my friend now.
You are now the one to tell me what to do. I want not to do. Is that right?
Papa,
Be careful. Be careful in this
I'm
house.
careful. You know that I'm careful. Papa, Papa will be back.
How did Philomena end up in this house? I can't believe this. I can't believe this. How? How?
What is the matter?
Nothing. I'm just trying to sort one or two things out.
So you've seen the house girl, huh?
Yeah.
And what do you think?
Well, she's cool.
Cool, you said?
Please, Richard, don't mind me, okay? Can we go now, please? I have an appointment. I don't want to be late, please.
What a nothing matter.
Ginny, as I'm talking to you right now, I have nowhere to go to. I'm finished. Ginny, please. Please. I'm sure you can do something for me. Ginny, please try and talk to your husband. He is your husband. You can convince him. I promise not to inconvenience you at all. Please. I beg you. Okay, Ginny. I'll be waiting for your feedback, okay? Alright, thank you. Bye. Look at Ginny. Is happily married with a kid. And take a good look at me. I'm struggling to survive. What kind of life is this? Life is so unfair. It's true what people say, this life no balance. It's not truly balance. God.
Baby, please, I am begging you. She's been calling me since afternoon. But I had to tell her to wait because I've not told you about it. Baby, listen, she is stranded. We need to help her out, please.
Baby, you want to bring in another stranger into our home.
Baby, it's not another stranger. We were friends.
That was then.
No, we are still friends. We only lost contact when she dropped out of school. But trust me, she's a nice person. She's an amazing human being. Please.
You really want to bring in a friend into our home?
Yes, baby, please. I promise. Once she gets her own place, she will move. I promise. Please, baby.
And you'll be fine with that?
Yes, I will.
It's okay.
What is okay? You're not telling me.
What else do you want me to say?
Just say
what you
something.
said.
So.
Okay.
Thank you. So I can call her right now, right?
If you think you're cool with that.
Thank you.
It's good.
My sugar daddy.
Beat me first. Welcome. I've been calling you. Your phone was unavailable. They're a bit worried. So, Mama, my phone is look at my phone. It's available now. I need to drink water first. Eben see idea. The sun did too much. Mama, you should have called now. Welcome.
Me de peru se we wo mi owe. Better none we wo make we. Ogene uriri to de we. Wo si we na boriki wo wo ke wa pori ma neneruwe. Me brana mae. Hey. Me de peru se we wo mi owe. Better none we wo make we. Ogene uriri to de we. See now that can't live inside it. Jesus. Jesus. Sheme wake. I never seen $2 for my life before. No. Philo, a trap. The one gets you. He want to get you down. A trap. Madam dey always carry their clothes, go give dry cleaner. Then why then give me this one make I wash? No. Na trap.
Abraham blesses Amaya. Abraham blesses Amaya. I am blessed in the morning, I am blessed in the evening. Abraham blesses Amaya. Philo, Philo. Philo, Philo. When he calm down, I see him. Carry him come out. Where do they hide? Where do they hide? I see him. Carry him come out.
You see waiting. Waiting you see. I will only see you see now so you saw. Waiting you see. Eh? I dey ask you, waiting you see.
I see where do they hide. Carry him come out.
Isaac, I beg. See, as you see me so, I don't get joy. In that way I have peace. Just carry your life. I am allergic to people that are poverty stricken. Just carry your poverty stricken self. Go your kids. I don't want wahala. Now God name I take beg you. I beg.
You know, only you no get joy. Only you no get peace. Only you still no get strength. Now how far you go there now? Yes. Now there people like you belong. See, I see everything. Carry and come out. No, they waste my time.
Isaac, if I nod you, they don't nod you before. No, correct worry, they don't nod you before. If I nod you, your next life when you go, if you hear fear not go let you come out for your mama belly safe. Before I close my guy, delete. I don't want verse.
Okay, make I delete. You format. You go format now. She no one bring them. I go raise alarm. I go shout. With your biobam nini, I go shout. Okay, no problem. Okay.
Wait. Calm down. You know how to like you. If you stress yourself, you just anything will disturb you, disturb. You know, stress yourself. No worry, make I help you. Testing the microphone. 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh yeah. Talk. Not the microphone I carry you. Now megaphone. Shout now. 200 watts. Madam go hear you well. No get sense. No get sense. You want raise alarm. No shout. I just they look you. I they look you. You just say me and you na mates. I don't tell you before say me and you no be the same category. You know they hear. You want shout. No, shout. Shout now.
Hello. I don't go anywhere. I go sit here. You go bring that thing come out. You go bring that thing come out. Every time you talk about category. I go sit down here. You go bring that thing. I don't go anywhere. Now here I go there. You go bring that thing come out.
Okay now. No worry. Balance. Sit down. No, enjoy the seat.
Every time they talk about category. See, for this compound, let me first get category before you. Any category we get, I get that before you.
I didn't know.
See, may I tell you, No, go anywhere. Come now. May I tell you. Hey,
Idiot. Be like a walker engine where they lock up where. Goats. One can sky, they cry. Or dead. Be like the boy where you black, you don't like her. You want yellow. Come on now. You can pee your body with hot water. Or dead. I keep her face. I thank you, Lord, for all you have done. I praise your name.
You know, something happened this afternoon. I wanted to keep mute about it, but I just can't hold it anymore.
Okay, what happened?
You know, I went to pick Bibian up, only for me to come back to the house and I met your friend Obino. I don't get. How come he came to look for you in the house? Why didn't he come to the office?
He told me.
He told you?
Yes, he did. He later came to the office.
So, how come? Why didn't he come to the office?
He later came to the office.
He thought, you say?